Think of your video resume as a mini job interview, whether it be your subject matter, your language, your clothing, or your demeanor. It should all be interview appropriate. So 4 tips, guys. Tip number 1, always try to tell a story in your video resume. It makes it 4 times more impactful. Try to present your background, your experience, your expertise in the form of a story. As it is popularly said, facts tell, but stories sell. Tip number 2, be brief. Do not make your video resume longer than 2 minutes. Let it be between 60 to 90 seconds. That is the best duration for the viewer to actually watch the entire video and be even motivated to open the file if it's just 90 seconds or even less than 120 seconds. Tip number 3, be very specific. Try to customize your video resume as per every job. Try to tell why you even want to join that company. As well, try to focus on that background of yourself, which focuses on that particular job. And the last and the most important point is add a call to action. Guys, this is the most undervalued point, but this is very important. This point would motivate the viewer to take the required action. No matter how obvious it may sound, but it's very important. It really motivates the viewer and gives the required push. That's all, guys. All the best.